Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset for your earbuds HUAWEI Freebuds SE2. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that you need to press and hold at the both of touch areas on your earbuds at the same time until you can see that this LED light start flashing red. So let's get started. Okay, firstly it should enter to pairing mode, and I don't want right now, so I just make something like this, and now I'm press and hold. Here we go. So firstly it entered to pairing mode, and after that you need to wait until it starts flashing red. Here we go, now you can release your finger, and firstly we should remove these earbuds from the phone, so click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click Pair a new device, and after hard reset these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so just click on it in the device list, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!